Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be making chibi characters for my comic. If you haven't watched my previous video yet, I suggest you watch it. These are the chibi versions of those characters. I am so excited to try this out. This is my first time of making them. As you can see, this is my canvas size, default canvas size for the illustration they gave you. Now I'm just going to materials, and I have made and registered specific body types for my characters and the chibi versions as well as the faces. As you can see, there are side characters as well. I like to organize them because the first time I tried making comic, I just jump onto the panel and it was total disaster. So I suggest making color sets as well as registering body types and heads for your characters, at least for your main characters. I'm just going to choose the chibi logon version and just drop it on my canvas. This is my first time as well making this, and now let's choose a pose for him. If you want to know how to register your body types or any material, you can just ask me in the comments. But I have also made a shorts on this if you want to go see that. Let's take another pause, see if it fits. Let's have Chibi Keith on another layer, and let's try a pose on her. Oh my god, this is totally not the pose I was going for. That was a quick recovery. Wait, this might actually look good.
A few moments later.
Okay, no shortcut, guys. We have only one option. We will draw it ourselves. Of course, we can have chibi heads, guys. Why not going to draw it all? No. I'm just going to the tool property and pull it to chibi bar and registering it as a material. Saving the location, and we're done. Same with the Keith's head. I'm just going to draw the same pose I drew in my previous video. Let's move this a little and one thing to remember here is that your body ratio should be 3 to 2. Let's say this is our one head and another 2 heads should be there. Now, after planning out where the body should be, let's draw a rough line art for the whole. Also remember that their height should not be this much long. The shorter the legs, the cute they will look. Let's have the final line art for this. I always use a gel pen for my characters, but this time I'm using a thicker version because they don't need to be so detailed. Since I've practiced my characters so many times, I know how their features are going to be, so it's easy for me to put them in chibi versions. Also, do not hesitate to make them look fat, because the more fat they look, the more cute they will look. Let's adjust this leg a little forward as in the subview. Lastly, make some little adjustments. I like to put these two hairs above both of their heads. It looks cute. Still not happy with this? I'm just going to redraw this again. And if you want to know how I colored this, just watch the previous video. I used the same technique for coloring hair as well. Yep, it's done. Bye bye, see you next time.